Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello if you're new, my name is Jess. Welcome to Smarter Beauty, where I talk about a lot of cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle here on my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can also find me on social media. My links will be here on the screen and also down below. So today I'm bringing you something a little different, a hair review. I'm super excited for this video, you guys. So if you want to see how I style my hair with the Miya Ponytail from insert name here, and my thoughts and review, then definitely keep watching. Let's get into this video. So a little information about the brand. They're called insert name here, INH. I wrote this down so I didn't forget anything. And they were founded in 2018, and actually one of the co-founders of the brand, her name is Jordan Wynn, and I'm sure if you guys look her up on Instagram, I thought she looked so familiar. She actually works for ColourPop, and I've seen like Kathleen Lights mention her, and I know they're really good friends, and I guess Jordan and her friend, they created this brand, which is so awesome. So I think that's really awesome. They're a female-owned company. Their products are cruelty-free and vegan as well, and everything is like really good quality. So they have a huge range of products, from pony extensions to clip-in hair extensions. They have wigs. They have bright colorful ponytails as well, in different colors like pink and purple and red. So there's a little something for everyone. So they sent over the Miya Pony, which I'm wearing right now, and also this is called the Sammy bun. They're so sweet and kind. They're actually going to send a different color, and it's probably going to take a long time to get here because of with shipping and everything, things are taking a lot longer, which is understandable. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys do want to see another review on this, because I would love to do that for you guys. Before I forget, I do have a discount code. It's not an affiliate link, so I don't earn a commission. But if you guys want to save 10% off anything on their website, definitely use my code. I'll put it here on the screen and also in the description box. You guys can check them out. Definitely use it if you guys want to save some money and you want to try out one of these pieces for yourself. Definitely feel free to use it. Go crazy. So this is the Miya Pony. This is the shade Espresso. It retails for $49, and this is made with a Japanese synthetic fiber. So this is not human hair, which blows my mind because it does not look nor feel synthetic. It actually feels like real human hair. So this is 24 inches long. This also has a textured perm to give it more volume and more body. So your hairpiece comes in this sealed pouch, which is really nice, and it does tell you the shade name on the back of the color that you picked. And then when you pull it out, it is wrapped in a hairnet, nice and secured so it doesn't get all tangled. And it does come with two bobby pins, which is really nice. I mean, I already have a million bobby pins sitting in front of me right now, but it's nice that they did include two bobby pins if you need to use them. It has a really nice thick weft at the top, and it has Velcro, so it makes it really easy to put this onto your own hair. And there's this little tiny clip that you will use to sort of secure the pony into your own hair, into your bun. That way you can easily wrap it around, and it comes with this little extension that is curled, and you can easily wrap that around the base of the pony so that it has a nice, clean, sleek look. And again, I did show you how to do that in the demo, so that'll be coming in just a moment. Also on the package, I forgot to mention, it does tell you some tips and tricks on how to use this, which I think is really helpful, especially if you're new to trying hair pieces or hair extensions or hair ponies. So along with your Miya Pony, it also comes with a bag to store your hair piece in. This is genius, but that's really awesome. It's a beautiful silky purple color. I don't think this is real silk. It's just a really nice fabric, and it has these two ties at the end so you can really secure and put your hair away. So I will 100% store my Miya Pony in here. All right, let's get into the demo. I'm going to show you how I like to install this. It's super easy. super quick. So let's go ahead and get into the demo. So I already did this off camera because it takes me a long time. My hair is very short right now, you guys, and it does take me a while to get it in a bun. So all I did is I took some hairspray and I just sleeked it up. I put it in a ponytail, put it in a nice tight bun so it's nice and high. I try to get it as even as possible. So the first thing I like to do is just take a look at my hairpiece, make sure there's no tangles. And I always brush, you know, whether it's a ponytail or extensions. And I'm just gonna start from the bottom and hold it nice and tight and just brush gently. If you take really good care of your hair pieces, extensions, whatever, they will last you for many, many years. All right, we're ready to install. And one thing I like is this piece here, which is nice and curly. I would highly recommend do not straighten this, because once you straighten these hair pieces, they will stay straight. The whole purpose of this little extension here is that it does have a curl to it. It's been styled permanently like this so that it wraps around your pony and gives it a nice clean look. So do not straighten this. That would be really bad. It would just make it a lot harder to wrap around your ponytail. So I'm just gonna take this part here and insert it into the bun, just like that. So I'm just gonna go like this, wrap it around nice and tug, give it a little tug until you attach that Velcro. All right, now I'm just going to flip it back over. Boom! Woo! Look at that. Look at that height. All right, so now that it's nice and secured, I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece here, which is meant to wrap around the base of the pony because it's gonna hide that Velcro. So we're just gonna wrap it around and it's gonna give it a nice sleek look. I love how this looks, you guys. Wait till I'm done. It looks amazing. And one more time, making sure to cover that Velcro. And so now with this little piece here, what I like to do is get my bobby pin ready. And I like to actually wrap that end around the bobby pin and then stick it right into the ponytail or the bun. And then I'm also going to add another one on the other side just to make sure it's nice and secure and it's not going to go anywhere. All right, so that's it, you guys. I mean, it's super easy to install. Once you get the hang of it and you start playing with it and figure out a way that works best for you and your hair. Everyone's hair is different. My hair is very thin. Your hair could be very thick and long, so the way you do it might be different than how I do it, but this is how I do it and what works for me. So even though this is pretty high up, you can see how long this extension is, this hair is. It is very long, so when I stand up, it comes down to here. So here's what it looks like from the side. And from the back. Alright, so my review, my thoughts on the insert name here products. I have to say I'm really impressed. I didn't know what to expect because every hair company is different. But first of all, I just have to mention both of these are reasonably priced. This one is only $38 and the Miya Pony is only $49. That is really, I mean, to me that's really affordable considering the quality, the amount of hair. I just can't get over that this is only $49. Now they do have more expensive hair pieces that have real human hair, so obviously the price is going to go up with the more real human hair pieces that they have. And again, they have wigs and things like that, and those are more expensive. Those are going to be over $100. And they also have bundle deals. So if you want to try one of the ponies with the bun, they actually have a bundle deal where you can buy both of them and save a little bit of money. So again, I'll put that down below if you guys want to check that out, but definitely scroll through and just see the different bundle deals if you want to try more than just one hair piece. I would definitely recommend doing that because you'll save a little bit of money. Another thing I wanted to mention, if you are struggling with picking out your hair color, definitely message them. You can just give them a quick DM or on their website and they will help you pick out your shade. So definitely do that if you're really lost and you don't really know what color to go with. So they do have quite a few shades to choose from with the Miya Pony. I believe there's 11 or 12 shades to choose from. Just your standard, you know, you've got blonde, you've got warm brown, deep brown, brown, mixed brown, and I really like Espresso. Espresso is the one that I have, and I like that it's a little bit more cool toned because I feel like it does match my hair pretty darn well. It is a little bit lighter, but I actually kind of like that. I'm impressed with the quality. There was no smell. That's something I wanted to know because I haven't encountered smells with other hair pieces, and I haven't really had a whole lot of shedding. Shedding is another thing that I wanted to mention, and you'll notice with hair pieces you are going to get some shedding. I've only noticed a few hairs falling out here and there when I go to brush it, but besides that, it's in there really well. I'm really impressed with the Velcro. I love the system of the Velcro with the hairpiece that you wrap around it. It just looks nice and sleek. Super easy to put in and take out. I don't feel like I'm ripping my hair out every time. Another fun fact about the Miya Pony was actually featured in the In My Head video by Ariana Grande. And I'm sure you can all tell that this is inspired by Ariana Grande. I know that she's really well known for doing the high ponytail. I've always wanted to try doing that, but again, even when my hair was really long, it wouldn't look right, even if I wrapped the hair around. So I think it's safe to say I'm obsessed. I'm really impressed with the quality of both of these products, but definitely this feels amazing. I give this brand a thumbs up. I think it's awesome that they're cruelty free, that they have synthetic hair. They also have real human hair if you're interested in that, more luxury. So that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this review and me showing you how to install the Miya Pony from insert name here. Really happy with the quality. Thank you to them for sending over these pieces for me to try out and share with you guys. Again, if you want to get 10% off any of their products on their website, I'll put the coupon code and everything down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays every single week. You can also find me on social media, Instagram and all of that. My links will be here on the screen and also down below. I hope you guys are having a great day. Stay safe, stay well. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.